Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting episode of Family Moments, where we use really cool object lessons
that teach the truth
about what matters most.
Exactly. And today, we're going to have some fun with this.
A coffee cup? Don't tell me we're going to drink coffee.
Well, no, we're not going to drink coffee, though that does sound like a pretty good idea. What we're going to do today...
Maybe we're going to drink tea.
Well, no, we're not going to drink tea either. What we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead...
Or maybe we're going to drink hot chocolate.
Well, no, we're not going to drink hot chocolate. We don't even have any hot chocolate mix.
No, but we've got plenty of whipped cream.
Oh, brother. Hey kids, Pastor Robbie here, along with today's special co-hosts, Johan and Leah.
Hello.
And today, we're going to have some fun learning about Inside Out.
Inside Out, what's that?
I thought we were going to use these mugs.
Well, we are going to use mugs to learn about Inside Out.
What does that mean, inside out?
Well, what if I told you I was going to let you use my Cool Family Moments mug and I'd pour you a nice cup of milk to drink with some cookies?
Sounds great.
Okay, here you go. Hold my mug and I'll go ahead and pour.
Wait a minute. It's all dirty inside.
Ew.
Yeah, there must be a few crumbs left over from when I was dunking cookies in my coffee earlier.
You mean you already used this mug?
And you didn't clean it?
Oh, was I supposed to clean it?
Yeah.
Well, it looks so beautiful on the outside, and it has our Cool Family Moments logo. I even wiped off the outside with a paper towel.
Yeah, but the inside's disgusting.
I didn't think the inside mattered that much.
Are you crazy?
It reminds you of something Jesus said to the Pharisees.
A Pharisee, what's that?
A Pharisee was a member of a Jewish group of people who were concerned more about the law than they were about the heart. They were proud people who kind of thought they were better than everyone else.
I know a few people like that.
Jesus called them hypocrites.
Hypocrites? Is that like a hippopotamus?
Well, no, a hypocrite is someone who says one thing but does another. He said they acted like they were holy, but deep down they were not very nice.
So what does this have to do with the cup?
Well, let's take a look at today's verse. It comes from Matthew 23, verses 25 through 26, where it says, "Woe to you, teachers of the law and Pharisees, you hypocrites! You clean the outside of the cup and dish, but inside they are full of greed and self-indulgence. Blind Pharisee, first clean the inside of the cup and dish, and then the outside also will be clean."
That sounds like what you just did.
You're right. I gave you a cup that was clean on the outside and dirty on the inside. And that's kind of the way people act about sin.
What do you mean?
Well, sin makes us dirty on the inside, but we like to hide our sin. So we try to look clean and good on the outside so people won't know about our sin.
Interesting.
Yeah, if you tell a little lie, or you're mean to someone, or you disobey your parents, that's sin. But we try to pretend like we're all good on the outside and don't want people to know about our messiness.
So what are we supposed to do about our dirty inside?
Great question. Jesus is the only one who can truly cleanse us on the inside from our sin.
How?
Well, we need to admit that we messed up and ask Him to forgive us. And then He will begin to clean you from the inside out. Let me demonstrate this for you with a little object lesson I like to call the inside job. And all we're going to need is a plate, some water, a few paper towels, and a few markers. Let's put some water on our plate like this. Now let's take our paper towel and fold it in half. And we can draw a picture of a flower on the front like this. And then we can open it up and redraw the flower and color it. And then we can fold it back up. We can gently lay it on our plate with water and watch what happens.
Cool.
And see, that's how Jesus works, from the inside out. He will take our sin and make us new like this.
Wow.
We can have all kinds of fun with this. Watch.
Awesome.
Cool. Wow, I love it. So this is what Jesus was talking about.
I think it's starting to all make sense.
Exactly. Learning to get clean from the inside out is a beautiful thing. So, team, what did you learn today?
I learned that we're all sinners, and it's easy to hide our sin on the inside by trying to look good on the outside. But when we do that, we're no different from the Pharisees. We're hypocrites.
Exactly.
So we can ask Jesus to forgive us, and he will clean us from the inside out.
Very good.
Now, we were just wondering, if getting clean from the inside is so important, does that mean we don't need to take any more baths?
Although I'm sure your parents still want you to be clean on the outside too.
That's what we thought you would say.
So we set up our own little object lesson to demonstrate how we get clean on the outside.
Don't tell me. This bowl of water is supposed to be like a bathtub or something.
Oh, right. Or if you're like me, you could take a shower.
Shower?
See?
What are you talking about? Huh? Oh, brother. Today's episode is sponsored by Matt the Carpet Guy. Located in Delaware, for more than 16 years, they have offered the highest quality flooring product and installation services in the Mid-Atlantic region. They are renowned for their professional work and their competitive prices. And when it comes to flooring, trust me, Matt and his team have got you covered. And you can find out more about Matt the Carpet Guy by checking out their website or by clicking the link in the description below. And if you'd like to find out more about possibly sponsoring an episode or a series of Family Moment episodes, just drop us an email at contact@familymomentsfun.com. We would love to have you partner with us as we teach the truth about what matters most.